Hello everyone and welcome to Raymondo Lee. So today we are going to do a race in Gran Turismo 7. We are at Spa. I've qualified in 7th place. We've got a few guys in front and a few guys behind. We have a full grid. Now this race is all about fuel saving in the first lap or two. So we get off to a decent start, and the first thing I have to do is change my fuel mixture level. But we're having a nice run here. The guy behind's decided to set off fairly slowly. So this first lap, guys, I'm pushing up the hill through Eau Rouge, and then I will turn the fuel mixture down. I can see I've got a nice gap behind me. Made it beautifully through there without any mistakes. A few goes at this that I've done this week have not gone down very well. I've had a couple of silly half-second penalties here and there for corner cutting, and an incident with one person called G-Man, which I do apologise for. G-Man, I realised on the replays that you hit me and then you were trying to give me the place back. I do apologise. Truth be told, I had a little bit of rage there and I punted you off, so yeah, apologise for that. But let's focus on this race. And it's going to be a pretty decent race, guys, and one lap is going to make all the difference. One lap is going to make the difference for me, as you'll see. So all I'm doing through this lap is basically short shifting and fuel saving. I've got Hans behind me, so he's basically doing what I'm doing and keeping similar sort of distance and speed. He's obviously seen the longer game, that there's no point in trying to dive bomb and just pulling away. You ain't going to get anything. Now here, this guy'd gone off, and I got really lucky there because he'd still ghosted, so I was able to ghost through his car. So I'm not quite sure what had happened to him, to be honest, but he's basically now blocking Hans, and I suspect Hans is just going to stay behind him. So he knows what he's got to do. So I'll have a quick check of my fuel level. It's all looking pretty good. So we're back into power 1 for this section. And it has allowed me to get closer to these two, you know, because these two are just fighting up there. They've hit each other down the hill, and this is just basically allowing me to get onto the back of both of them, which is good. I ran a little bit wide there and I thought that was going to give me a half-second penalty, and thankfully it didn't. But as you can see now, I'm on the back of both of these. So I figured what I'll do for this lap again is power 3. So save fuel, short shift, and just follow these two guys. Just follow these two guys around. And to be honest, I thought they were fuel saving, both of these, because they did seem to be going fairly slow, really. And I'm sure the German in front of me, I'm sure he was much quicker in the previous race than this one. But I'm sure also the other thing is, I noticed in some of the other races, the weather it didn't look the same. It looked completely different. This one's pretty sunny and pretty dry, and it was pretty cold and windy in one of the other races, so I'm not quite sure what that's about. But now, as you can see, we've got 3 people in front of me. So at this point, I'm thinking, I'm in potential chance here of getting a podium if I can get past these 3. But you've got to do it at the right place and the right time, and you've got to be careful through here. I've got a beautiful gap behind me now, so I'm going to wait until I've got an opportunity, and that is going to come any minute now. So I get through there perfect. I have a perfect exit through here. And Bartle, I don't know what he's doing here. I don't know if he's fuel saving or what, but he seems so much slower. So I'm on power 1 and get past him. And now, guys, I can stay on power 1. I do not need to do any more fuel saving. I did it in those 2 laps. So I'll show you from the actual gaming view. I've got enough fuel for the last 3 laps. And these 2 are battling it out through Rouge, look, and they both collide with each other. But this is perfect for me. Slipstream behind Marco. And I'm going to tap both of them. What a move, guys. What a move. I was able to get past both of them. I'll show you a replay of that. So as we're coming along here, so in basically a few corners I managed to take it 3 people. So I've got Bartle there. He clipped the back of me, and he obviously only just saw me at the end. Hans is not far behind either if you look. And then these 2. Oh, I tell you what, that were lucky. They didn't both come flying off there. Very lucky. But I'm so much closer to these 2. And that's it. Up the right hand side, slipstream. Marco tries to do the same thing. What a move, guys. 2 cars in 1 corner. So skipping towards the end now, guys. And the others are way behind now. Way behind. And I'm going to come across the line in 3rd place. So you can see first, there's 2nd, there's me 3rd, and Hans comes across in 4th. So all on to Hans, because he made up some places as well. And then everyone else will filter behind. So that was a pretty good race and another podium. So I'm pretty happy with that. And the guy in the Supra run out of fuel by the looks of it. So thank you very much for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. We'll be back again soon with more racing content. So thank you very much. Take care and goodbye. Please remember to subscribe if you're new here. Thank you. Bye.